Hey and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be trying out the new Urban Decay Facebond Foundation. I picked mine up in the shade 31 Medium Deep Warm Golden. And this is what the packaging looks like. Hopefully this is my shade. If it is, this is gonna be perfect. So this is what it looks like out of the box. So just by taking it out of the packaging, it kind of looks like it might be my shade, or it might be a tad bit too dark, but we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna do my eyes and my brows. When I come back, we'll just go right into the foundation. So I've already done my eyes. I am going to prime my face using the Hourglass Vanish. Okay, so just for shade comparison, this is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in the shade Marquises or Medium Deep 5. So that's NARS Soft Matte Marquises. And this is the Urban Decay. This is NARS Soft Matte Foundation in the shade Marquises. And this is Urban Decay Facebond in the shade 31. So I'm just going to take this Morphe M439 foundation brush, and I'm going to apply the foundation. So this side has the Urban Decay Facebond in the shade 31, and this is just primer. This is so pretty. So this is the foundation with just primer. It's real pretty. The finish is amazing. It's a real pretty finish. So far, I like the finish, I like the texture. They say it's self-setting, and I can kind of see that. I'm gonna do my normal routine, and then we'll come back and I'll give you guys my thoughts.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working on.
Okay, so my final thoughts on the Urban Decay Facebond Foundation. This foundation is really good. I really like it. I ended up liking the shade match, so I'm gonna keep this. If you were thinking about picking it up, I think you should, because it really is in fact self-setting. So you have maybe a minute or two to, you know, move the foundation around before it starts to set. But this is really nice. I really like this foundation. This is definitely going to be one of my summer foundations. This foundation is amazing. The claims are pretty spot on. I haven't worn it for 24 hours, so I don't know if that's a thing or not, but I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like down below, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. Till the next video, you guys. Love ya.
So you can go home.